Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Wise account. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just tap on add money at the top of the screen. And now after the app loads, you will be able to type in the amount of money that you would like to add to your account. Here you can select the currency. So we can select, for example, euros. Then you can select how you want to pay for it. I mean, with a debit card or a credit card. You can see when it will arrive. And here you have your total for paying with fees as well. Then you can tap on continue and then just follow with the steps that the app indicates. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.